is that a result of the landing then? Did we get the landing? We got the landing, didn't we? Yeah, let's see if we have a look at that landing and see see if we notice anything. It will obviously be a fracture. Oh wow. I wouldn't have thought anyway, but it's your second Qatar 350. Yeah, he's like front undercarriage was he just wanted to get airborne. Mind you, if they ship her, they might ship them. I think that's her tail there. Is that her tail? I can just about see the tip off there. Oh, she might be being towed to gate. Another cup of tea. Yeah. Love it when they depart so quick like that. There it is fixed. Look how small that 787 tail is. Give them a call. Is there a phone number? Dora Gelba, China Eastern 332 is going to gate. That will be going to gate. So that's going off of remote way for them to push that back facing us. She'll get towed, pushed back all the way across here. What's gonna go quickest? I think the Air Mauritius will get a good look at her. Here we go then. She's coming into the gate up by Chris Broadhurst. What's a Virgin used for? And the 787 fleet. I don't think they have plans to reintroduce the A313C. Use their more fuel-efficient aircraft. Of course, Air Mauritius opting to go to the right-hand side of that 380. Still get a good look at her there, though. Hey, you've got to love it, and you love it. Yeah. Turkish delight. But before that, Euro week, I mean, so. Direct headwind. Voilà, c'est France, mais oui, ouvre le portrait. Easy. Go on, Sam, put it down. Wow. The 787 was the first commercial airliner to utilise the head-up display system. Another mega long run. Let's go to CDG. I wouldn't mind going via CDG. Yeah, I know, but the BA flight means I have to leave at 3 o'clock, doesn't it? I have to be off the hill at 3 o'clock. Whereas if I do a CDG Air France. Oh! What, an hour at Toulouse? Oh, blimey, okay. Easy, son, easy. The Dreamliner, Ross Watley saying, or asking, is the Air Canada from its from that cowling? Sorry, the engine nacelle, the leading edge nacelle. It's quite high at this stage of the game. It's Turkish. You're going to get hit by the shed effect. About now is where you're going to get it. But because they've got a direct headwind straight down the middle, they're just going to get a little bit of thermal activity, possibly, you know, little pockets of air which where it drops like that. TJ, caught Chris who are watching the live feed on well, not watching the live feed, but watching these aircraft live on radar. I do from time to time get notified as to where they're going, but easy. Hey, how you doing? Triple seven tail all there. Triple seven tail seemingly a little bit higher. Good lad. Yeah, but you got the cam, haven't you? I was getting in my way, that one. No, I think she's up. good for an airfield, though, I've got to be honest with you. Qatar triple? Yeah, Qatar triple. There we go. Bring it in.